Hi everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. Today we are going to make a delicious low-carb weight loss riced cilantro lime cauliflower. Yes, riced cauliflower. So yummy and delicious. Oh yes, I am wearing a Harley Davidson shirt. And no, I don't ride motorcycles, although that sounds like it might be fun. I'm not riding motorcycle. I can barely ride a bike, people. I mean, I do Taekwondo, I practice, and I'm doing some other workout, but I can't. I don't have the bravery to ride a motorcycle, at least not yet. But I respect the Harleys. So we're gonna make this deliciousness, and I'm very excited to dive right into this quick and easy video. And again, this is a delicious dish that you and your family will love. And if you're looking to lose weight, doing keto or paleo or anything low carb, this is amazing. Again, something different, right? And low carb than rice, but you get the same deliciousness. So let's just dive right into this video and start making this lime or cilantro lime cauliflower rice. Okay, so these are our ingredients for our cilantro lime riced cauliflower. And here's our riced cauliflower. We have black pepper, pink salt, fresh garlic, lime juice. I used red onions, but you can use the onions of your choice, yellow onions, white onions, and our, of course, cilantro. So we're gonna go over to the stove and our olive oil. We're gonna go over to the stove and make this deliciousness. I'm getting ready to turn our fire on to a medium high. There we go, medium. And this is the time we would want to put in some olive oil. Go ahead and put in our fresh garlic. And onions. Make sure we've got the olive oil, onions, and garlic spreading around here. And what we're going to do is cook our onions until they're kind of clear for about 3 to 6 minutes. Make sure you stir your onions and garlic because we just want the onions to, get kind of clear, and you don't want to burn your garlic and onions, especially your garlic. Okay, and our garlic and onions are fragrant, and it's been about 3-4 minutes. And now we can put in our cauliflower. So we're going to put the cauliflower in slowly. And we are going to be cooking our riced cauliflower for approximately 7 minutes. And when you cook your cauliflower, make sure you're using a silicone or wooden spoon or spatula or cooking utensil of your choice. Just make sure it's silicone or wooden. So if you notice as I'm cooking, you will see the onions and garlic start to brown a little bit in the cauliflower, which is okay. That helps give it some flavor. And this is a fast dish. Our cauliflower is almost ready. Okay, and while I'm still cooking our cauliflower, I'm going to go ahead and put in our salt and pepper. And make sure you mix your salt and pepper around real good into your cauliflower. It smells so good. And don't worry if your garlic starts to turn brown, some of your onions. This helps with the flavor. We just don't want it to overcook our garlic when we first put it in with the onions. Okay, folks, our dish is almost ready. Okay, everyone, our riced cilantro and lime cauliflower is completely finished. So I'm turning off the fire, and this is where you want to throw in the cilantro and lime juice, and then mix it all in together. All right, so there it is. Our food is ready. And we're going to do the deliciousness test. I'm just gonna grab some out of this hot pan right now. Hi everyone. So I'm in a new kitchen and I'm gonna just go ahead and do the deliciousness test right here, right now. Here it is, our riced cauliflower. I'm just so crazy about this. Our riced cauliflower, cilantro lime, or cilantro lime riced cauliflower, however you want to call it. It is delicious. Let me get a spoon, a fork. Let's see what we got in the drawer. Okay, I positioned myself in a perfect way. Okay, let me give this a try. I already know it's delicious, but you don't know it's delicious. That means you'll have to try my dish. And I will put all the ingredients and the description box, measurements, ingredients, and instructions. All right, here we go. I'm taking another bite because this is delicious. All right, everybody. Hey. Again, one of my words, no, my favorite word, deliciousness. You and your family, and if you're trying to lose weight, cut out the rice, but you still need some deliciousness in your life. Hey, but you need it from something other than rice. Riced cauliflower is amazing to eat in place of rice for, most people. I was not a cauliflower fan, but I found out there's so many things that can be done with it. And you can always add extra salt, extra pepper, extra lime, however you want to do it, but I will give the basic ingredients and instructions in the description box. And again, thanks for watching. When I bring you another delicious, weight loss recipe. And I know I'm doing more weight loss recipes, but ladies, a lot of you are asking me, Chef, how do you keep your weight down making all those amazing dishes? And I did weigh 220 pounds and I weigh 145 now. So it's from dishes like rice, cauliflower, and other stuff. Well, anyway, watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you will catch my next videos of making more deliciousness. Bye for now.